Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to see about how to make a power bank using this lithium battery. This is an MDF board I use for making the case. The power bank module, which is too small, so I use a nut for extending it. Arrange all batteries in order. And I connected all batteries in parallel. Use insulation tape for covering. Finally, I have completed all work. This is a multimeter I have converted into rechargeable. It's charging very nice. Thanks for watching this video. Using this power bank, you can charge 2 devices in one time. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to like and hype the video.